I'm Dr. Ulrik Sandstrøm, and I'm very excited to be speaking at Parker Vegas 2026. My first experience of Parker seminars was delivering a workshop at Parker, Florida 18 months ago, and I was blown away by the energy, the community, and the quality of the program at Parker events. I made a ton of new friends, and I can't wait to catch up with them and make a bunch of new ones at Parker Vegas. The variety of learning at this event is unrivaled. There will be clinical tracks, radiology tracks, human performance tracks, and a caliber of world-class keynote speakers that will blow your mind. I'm presenting a 3-hour track on using real-time neurological feedback to tailor your treatment to each and every patient in your practice. Come and join me, your colleagues, and your friends to celebrate 75 years of Parker seminars in style. I can't wait to see you there.